Let's see how to turn off iPad when touchscreen not working. In the first step, open Settings. After that, select Accessibility. Next, tap on Assistive Touch. Later, enable Assistive Touch. In the next step, press the Assistive Touch icon, then click on Device, then hold lock screen until the power slider appears. In the next step, hold power and volume up at the same time. Later, continue holding until the shutdown slider appears. Then slide it to switch off. In the next step, press volume up once, then volume down once. Next, hold power until the screen turns off. In the next step, connect iPad to a computer. Now, launch iTunes or Finder. After that, follow the screen directions for turning off. You are good to go.